Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check the processor in your Lenovo laptop. The process is very easy and only takes a few seconds. First, click the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, click System. Now scroll down and select About. Here, you'll see your laptop's specifications. Under Device Specifications, look for Processor. This line shows your processor model and speed. For example, if it says Intel Core i5-8265U, it means your laptop has an Intel Core i5 processor. If your laptop has an AMD processor, you'll see the AMD processor name here instead. And that's it. That's how you can quickly check the processor in your Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.